Yes,
So,
yes.
my first question to you is, what is your last thought before going to the bed? So, you have only 3 seconds to answer. What is your last thought before going to bed?
Before going to bed, tomorrow is going to be the best day.
Okay,
This I put in my mind.
okay. What scares you?
What?
What scares you?
What scares you? Negative thoughts.
Negative thought. When was the last time you were late for something?
Late for something. Late for something. I don't know. Means
I think you must be, this question is wrong for you, I guess, because you are always
because
on time. So I don't
yeah,
think you
because you,
should be.
whenever you go for tournaments or when you're in training in Europe, you need to be before time only. You know.
Correct,
So it's
correct,
like this.
correct. So it was just a tricky question. Not, I know it was not meant for you. So, what is the first thing you think in the morning when you get up?
Morning today, I'm going to be strong than yesterday. Today, I'm going to be much more better.
Okay. If you have to choose a perpetually cold or hot place to live, what would you choose? Would you choose a cold place to live or a hot place to live?
For me, hot place is better.
I think from Chennai, you will definitely would prefer the hot place,
No,
I guess so.
because keep wearing that winter clothes every time, that heavy clothes. It's not okay. 1 month because I've been in Poland. No, there used to be -15, -20, so it's like this. So it's very difficult. So
So,
now I play in Portugal, so it's better, warm.
so you want to show your abs in the beach. That is what. That's the reason why you choose the hot place.
Not as a suit, suit. I like wearing suits, go to good hotels,
Okay.
functions, parties, it
Okay.
feels good.
Which is one item you could never live without? What is one item you could never live without?
Never leave without table tennis because table tennis has given everything to me.
Okay. If you had access to a time machine, where would you go and why?
What machine type?
Time machine. Where would you go and why? If you have
What?
if you have access to time machine, where would
Okay,
you go?
time machine. Time machine.
Time machine, which can take you anywhere you want.
Oh, acha. I like to go to Italy, my favorite place.
Okay. Which other name Amal suits your personality?
Which are the names?
Which other name than Amal?
Oh, which other names?
Then
I
Amal
keep
suits your
thinking
personality.
I keep thinking many names like John, Peter. I used to think my if my parents have kept something different, maybe it would have been like in Catholic there are so many beautiful names. Sylvester, so many names are there.
So one name if you have to choose, which one?
One name, John.
John.
Uh,
Fine, John. The craziest thing you did last time.
craziest. When I was young, I did all craziest thing only. There is not one. There
No,
are hundreds.
anyone if you remember.
Anyone once in Calcutta, I bought that air gun, that air gun which used to, shoot these birds and all. No? That I'm very big fan of Akshay Kumar and Sanjay Dutt, and they
Acha,
have the best action movies. So
correct.
this was in '98 Calcutta Zone.
Okay.
There you also played. And
Mhm.
there I bought this air gun. I still remember. And then I suddenly I thought myself as Akshay Kumar, and I started shooting the people from the hotel, and everyone got hurt. And then after some time, when I was going for practice, nearly 50 to 60 people gathered in front of my hotel with big sticks, to beat me, because you know how Calcutta and that place used to be there. All this that rickshaw and auto rickshaw and these people are there. So this is one of the
I hope
craziest things I did.
you managed to come out of it.
Yeah, my coach was there.
One question. Okay. One question, if you have to ask, what would it be and to whom? Just one question, if you have to ask.
One question, if I have to ask,
What would
I have
be
to
and to whom?
ask,
What would be? What it would be?
yeah, yeah. Means if I want to ask, means if I ever met God, just I want to ask, what is life? Just only one thing. Many times I keep thinking, I keep thinking all those things. What is life? What are humans? Why we are here? And why we are dead again? So only many times this question used to come in my mind. So it's like this. If I ever met, if I meet able to meet God, or if I meet, I ask what is life. This many people have this question. So even I also have been having this from young.
Very big question of very big question of this life. And
Yeah,
everyone is searching for it.
yeah. So
One
that
food, one food you love the most.
my what I like, chicken biryani is my favorite.
Fantastic. One thing world does not know about you.
One thing, people know everything. I am like open book, because everything
Anyone,
I see, what I think. One
anyone.
thing, people think I'm very serious or sincere. Means okay, but if they have not seen my other side, how funny or thing I can make laugh even 100 people also. This many people doesn't know. The people think he's very serious, he's very sincere, whether to talk to him or not talk to, what will be his reaction. But it's it's not like that.
I think this should be open to all, that everyone should go and talk to
Hmm.
Amal. He is not scary at all. He will not bite you. He will
Mhm.
definitely make you laugh.
No, not
For
talk, not talk. Funny things. I expect a
correct,
funny and this
correct,
thing.
super. One thing you would like to change about yourself.
Change about myself. Yes, yes. Means I want to be more positive, mentally strong, and analyzing things very fast, very fast, and and like give people the right information, because
Okay,
in hundred of things you get just that one thing which makes you better, and
correct,
to search that one thing, it takes lot of time.
correct.
For example, what I have experienced, that one thing, if I, that's what I want, that strength, mental strength, that I can give to people like just like this, so they can take it very fast.
Fantastic. What you miss the most?
Miss the most the younger days. That so funny things used to happen. Every time making fun, laugh. But nowadays the world have become so serious. Serious because of this social media and this mobile. We are not connected. We are not connected really. We are not correct.
Correct.
Nobody is connected really. Everyone is connected. सब सोचते कुछ है, बात कुछ और होता है, और बोल के कुछ है, होता कुछ और है. It's almost, the world have become a, fake, what I have to say. It's really, it's everything, so no, it's nothing connected with the people, like if someone wants to say something, put in the social media this, but it's important to understand whether they have really thought or not, no? So that, that purity,
You know,
honesty, connectivity you have lost.
I think Amal, you can start writing philosophical poetry also, because your words are also rightly kept for many things.
No,
Bolte bolte.
when your word comes from your heart, the word thought comes from two ways, either from the mind or from the heart. What I speak, what from where it comes from my heart, So things come from heart. It's always pure and real, So when it comes from the
You,
mind, you plan, manipulate, how to make politics, change, this, that.
Correct.
So many things happen.
You said it. Last question to you. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Describe me 3 words. 3 words means I can make any people happy in this world.
You just put 3 words. 3 words in which you can be defined.
Happiness,
Okay.
caring,
Okay.
caring, trust.
Fantastic.